Why do we spend hundreds of thousands or even millions of dollars on living in comfort only to come out here to live on the basics just to get away from it? Is it something in our nature that brings us back out here, away from people, out of contact and reception? Is it going to be the same when Elon Musk gives us worldwide satellite mobile service next year, apparently?
Cool. Yeah. Very good girl. Very good girl.
I don't usually give away the location of campsites, but this is a well-known but underrated place. It's the Turon National Park. I think it's the best managed park in New South Wales. Perhaps it's because it's only a relatively small park. Only takes 20 minutes to drive from one end of the park, crisscrossing through the Turon River to get to the other end.
So we had the horrific incident of me having a leech. And what's the solution, babe?
You put salt on it.
Okay, so you put salt on the leech. So we're going to walk all the way up there. We're going to get our salt. Well, it's not even a shaker. It's a. You actually got to grind it. So you got to grind it and then rub it onto the leech.
Comes in a grinder, mind you. All you got to do is turn the top.
You could just rip it off. What's the quickest way?
We didn't do too much filming this time. We spent a couple of nights just relaxing before we headed home. Before we did head home, I thought I'd take you for a quick tour around the park and show you some of the local scenery. If you enjoy the video, don't forget to click the like button, subscribe to the channel, click the bell icon and share it with your like-minded friends. I hope you enjoy the tour. I've found that the Turon National Park is one of the best managed parks in New South Wales. You've got free four-wheel drive access to the river, great facilities, and it's not overly regulated. And best of all, with the exception of a few idiots, it's well looked after. The easiest access is off Lockabar Road, just near the Castlereagh Highway, near Turon Gates. The National Park has two main sites, the Diggins Campground in the centre of the park, and on the eastern side, the Woolshed Flat Campground. The unmarked sites are right on the river, lots of shade, lots of swimming holes. After checking out the western end of the park, we headed back east to check out the Woolshed Flat Campground. It only takes about 15 minutes to drive from one end of the park to the other. The roads are well maintained, but a basic four-wheel drive is recommended with the water crossings.
a bit of a shit go. So very small log across the road. People have gone making their own tracks around it, when this could just be moved by hand. So like I've got a little chainsaw in the car, but I don't even need to do that. So I'll just pull this stuff out of the way, and people can use the actual road.
On the eastern side of the national park, there's the Woolshed Flat Campground. The campground runs parallel to the river. Throughout the campground, there's park benches, and again, brand new toilet facilities, kept nice and clean. If you want to be part of keeping our national parks and four-wheel drive tracks open and sustainable camping and four-wheel driving, don't forget to click the like button, subscribe to the channel and click the bell icon to keep updated with our videos. We want to influence people and set a good example for four-wheel drivers and campers to keep our four-wheel driving camping sustainable long into the future. Hope you enjoyed the video.